Hello again, everyone. And I am posting a video today with some community announcements. We are developing community here, and I feel it's important for us to um, be aware of developing community and looking at ways to develop this sustainably. So, you probably have noticed that I've had some challenges around responding to all of the comments. I feel like I really want to have dialogue with you, so I want to read every comment that you post. So I am finding some ways of maybe, copy pasting some standard things in responses. And also when, something is moved in me that I feel it's important to say something more, I'll say that. But basically, I want to acknowledge that I have mindfully read your comment. I do create time when I'm not in like a hassled, busy administrative mode, but where I can really be present and read what it is that you've written. That's important to me. So even if I don't respond something specifically, I want you to know that I have mindfully read your post. And so I'm posting something to that effect. So, also, a great way of developing community would be also for you to respond to each other. That's a wonderful way of developing community. And it doesn't have to be anything, enlightening or profound. You don't have to be each other's therapist. And in fact, please don't be each other's therapists. A lot of times people do not appreciate getting advice or anything like that. What can be really powerful is mirroring what you understand in what someone posted. So, you could respond to somebody's post and say, what I'm understanding from what you're saying is da 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 da, and putting it in your own words. Or if you read someone's post that touches you, don't just click the like hand. Why don't you also post a little something to them and say, what you posted here touched me. This is what it touched in me. That could just mean the world to somebody. And it would be really a great way for us to be developing community here together. And as we're pioneering here. And as we move forward, um, I also am wanting to offer Zoom events where we can get together as a community at a Zoom event. I held one in November, the Warrior of Peace event, and I had a meeting with someone yesterday where we're going to be collaboratively offering a grounding and empowerment program in mid-January. And so not charging for these, just really welcoming community in. So that can also be a way of gathering as community, coming to some Zoom events. And, I'm sure that other things will emerge for ways for us to be developing community together. So let's not, feel like we're constrained by standard YouTube stuff or standard this or standard that. Let's really see how spirit moves this unique community for us to be able to develop an important community for these years ahead. And so I also feel it's important to acknowledge that I am a human being. I am not like some, goddess beamed down or something like that. I'm a human being. I do have, there was somebody that posted a funny comment about that I seem to be a misguided introvert who needs to get back to her day job. Um, I do find some of the comments humorous that people leave. But the fact is that I do have a life, and my day job is being a spiritual business coach. And so I do need time to do my day job. And I'm also feeling quite passionate about creating time for doing this work. It feels very important to me. And so I want to acknowledge my humanity and my, how many hours I have in the day. And for the work that I'm doing with you and with my day job, it's very important for me to be in a really grounded and good place. So that means my self-care, it cannot be slacked upon. So hence, that's why I'm not always getting to everybody's comments in the most timely manner, because I am keeping my priorities straight and taking care of my self-care so that I'm coming to you, available and grounded and bringing through hopefully things that are helpful to you. So YouTube has recognized the growth of this community, and they have invited me into some new level with YouTube, which I need to do some reading about to find out what that involves. But I would now be able to open up a YouTube membership. And so this could be a way for you to help me to be doing this work. My thoughts are, could have maybe various levels of monthly membership. I know that contributing $5 a month actually would be tremendously helpful. I found that in Buddhist Project Sunshine when I did fundraising there. I people donating $5, a lot of people, it made a big difference for my being able to do the work in Buddhist Project Sunshine. So my thinking is of setting up various levels of YouTube membership, and whatever level you're able to, whatever level you feel moved to, that feels good in your heart to contribute, that could really go a long way in helping to support me with some finances for dedicating the time that I'm dedicating to doing this work. It will make me a stronger leader if I am also receiving some support from you. So no pressure at all. But I will be, once I've learned about it, I'll forward some details. And I'm not interested in creating a YouTube membership that means that some people get the videos and some people don't. It's important that all these videos are freely available to everyone, and they will continue to be that way. I am just looking for some ways of being able to receive some support for what I am doing, because I know that it will help me to be coming from a more grounded place and be a strong leader, because leadership is important at this time. And as well, I know that contributing a little something financially helps you to feel more a part of something. And it's like you are part of the flow of what is happening here. Contributing comments is a way of being in the flow of what's happening here. And also, if you're able to contribute, a little bit financially each month, that also would be another way. And I think you'll feel it in your heart if it feels like a way that would feel good for you to be contributing to what all of us are creating here. So that's it for the community announcements for this week. And I'm getting more organized with some systems and things like that to support this being a sustainable long-term journey with you, because that's what I'd really love to do. I think we have an amazing adventure ahead of us with Trump's presidency. It's really going to call amazing things from us in order to be the light in a term, a term, a term of some darkness. So let us be the light together. If you also have suggestions for how we can be developing this community, I really welcome you contributing your suggestions in the comments below, today or any day. This is going to be a community journey, and I really welcome hearing from you. So thank you. I hope you have a beautiful weekend, and I will be back with more videos next week. And on that note, in case you didn't hear it before, I will be doing a retreat over the Christmas time. So there will probably be a little bit of a pause in the videos. Probably many of you will be busy celebrating Christmas anyway. And I know that I myself will be coming out very renewed, and I'm sure with a lot more clear kind of direction coming out of my retreat over Christmas. And so I will look forward to us taking those next steps in this powerful journey together. So have a great rest of your day, and I will be with you again soon. Okay, bye-bye.